Namaste everyone, welcome to Amako Kitchen. Today Amma will show you how to make Karela Chukauni. It is a slightly spicy and bitter side dish which you can eat with your rice, chapati or serve alongside other appetizers. The ingredients you will need are half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, salt as per your taste, 2 dried red chillies, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 medium-sized onion thinly chopped, 2 tablespoons of oil, 300 grams of karela, also known as bitter gourd, and 7 tablespoons of yoghurt. Amma is using Greek-style natural yoghurt as she needed sour yoghurt for this recipe. To begin, we will need to boil the karela for a few minutes. You can stop boiling the karela when it is slightly soft, but do not boil to the point where it becomes soggy as we want it to still have a bit of a crunch. After boiling, drain out the water. Use a cooking utensil to push the karela against the sieve and squeeze out as much water as you can. Amma is using a kitchen towel to soak up the remaining water. She is tossing the karela around and repeating this process so that all of the pieces of karela is dry. In a mixing bowl, add the boiled karela, then the chopped onions, and now add 7 tablespoons of yogurt. As for the salt, add however much you'd like. Then in goes the chilli powder. On the side, in a small preheated pan, add oil and fry the fenugreek seeds. After a few minutes, add the 2 dried red chillies. After another minute or so, add the turmeric powder. Straight after, pour the hot mixture into your mixing bowl. Now all you have to do is stir the mix. Now this part was not planned, but Amma wanted to demonstrate how you can eat this dish and what you can combine it with. So in a preheated pan she has added some oil. She has thinly chopped 2 cloves of garlic and 1 small ginger and fried this in the oil for a few minutes. Once the garlic and ginger is a warm golden brown colour, she has added 150 grams of rice flakes. After a few minutes, you can add salt as per your preference, then cook for another few more minutes. You can now serve the dish as demonstrated. Remember our murabba recipe from our first YouTube video? Well, this is the same murabba Amma made in that video. You will taste a combination of spicy and bitterness from the Karela Chukauni. Then from the rice flakes you will taste some salt, a kick of ginger and some crunchiness. Then the murabba will bring a sour flavour with a hint of sweetness and a little spice. Mix it all together and you will enjoy an explosion of flavours. Enjoy the next few seconds of this video listening to Amma munching away. Well, that's it for today. As always, thank you so much for watching this video and we will see you next Thursday. Bye!